Let us solve one more problem from the GATE physics. So the problem states that an ideal monoatomic gas expands adiabatically and reversibly. Then it is asked that what is the relation between pressure P and the volume V. So from the theory we know that P into V to the power gamma equal to constant for this adiabatic expansion. Now gamma will be 5 by 3 here, so we will assume that uh, so it will be P into V to the power 5 by 3 equal to constant. So the required expression is given by P to the power 5 by 3. Hope the expression is clear. So thanks a lot.